This is a Class 09 diesel-electric shunter used mainly for freight operations, but known to help with passenger procedures too. Let's take a look at the engine's starting and stopping procedures. Climb aboard to get started. Enter the cab through the door indicated. Before anything else, set up the marker light. Now the main power switch is on, walk around the exterior of the locomotive and turn on all 4 marker lights. Great! Climb back aboard the locomotive and sit down in the driver's seat. To start the locomotive, hold the master key in the start position for at least 5 seconds. With the locomotive running, set the master key to the on position. The reverser lever determines the direction of travel. Set this into the forward position. Move the parking brake handle into the release position. Finally, to get going, set the throttle into position 1 for at least 5 seconds and then set it to position 2. Great work, the locomotive is on the move. To maintain a specific speed, set the throttle back to the... To bring the locomotive to a gentle stop, set the driver's brake to the service 30%